Da-da-da-da-da-dun-dun.
Hello everyone, welcome to my second episode on financial education for young people. In this episode we will be discussing the differences between incomes and expenses, while also talking about what makes something an asset or a liability. Before we get started, take a second to smash the like button to help my channel grow. Seriously, it's such a simple thing to do, but it really does help my channel grow. Also consider subscribing for more fun educational content. An income is money you receive, and an expense is money you spend. Incomes can be divided into two groups, which we discuss more deeply in a future video. They are active incomes and passive incomes. An active income is when you are actively spending time to earn money. Examples of these would be doing chores to get an allowance, working for a salary, full-time or part-time, or making products to sell. Active income is where everyone starts out when making money. But what if I told you there are ways to make money without actually having to work for it? This is where passive income comes in. Now don't get too excited. Passive incomes still take a lot of work to produce any meaningful results. There is no such thing as a free lunch after all. But more on that in a future video. Simply put, a passive income is money you make without actually doing anything to make it at that moment. There are many different ways to earn a passive income, and all of them take time and dedication to achieve. Luckily for you, if you are in my target demographic, you have a lot of time on your hands. Next up, we have our expenses. As we said before, an expense is anything you spend money on. When we spend money in this way, it is usually as a living expense. A living expense is very simple to understand. It's the money you spend to keep your life going. These expenses include paying rent or a mortgage, food, transportation, and money used to have fun with, like going to the movies or buying video games. We also have expenses when acquiring property and possessions. These properties and possessions can fall under one of two categories: assets or liabilities. Assets are things you buy which can become more valuable, or things that make you money. Their value goes up as time goes by, and that's what makes it an asset. Easy examples of assets are houses, collectibles, and investments. A liability is something you buy which actually loses value as time goes by, or something that costs you money as time goes on. Some easy examples are cars, vacations, debts, and unused subscriptions. Alright people, that is enough information in one video. Before we go, tell me in the comments about what you understand about assets and liabilities. Can you think of any examples in your personal life? In the next video, we will talk about a very important concept called compound interest, so stay tuned for that. It's really cool and can change your life if you understand it. Thanks for watching this video everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more fun educational videos, and I will see you again next time.